Hi, thank you so much for taking this time out to watch my video. My name is Tisha. I'm with New Outlook SEO Marketing. I found your website when doing research on plumbers in your area, so just wanted to reach out to you to provide some tips on increasing online presence, ranking higher than your competitors, and bringing in more business. So today we'll be talking about three different areas, one being content, citations, and backlink. Now, content is anything that can be found within your website, images, videos, how your images are saved. So anything that you can see here on the home page. Now, in order to rank high within Google, they're looking for at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, this is important as well because the more content that you have, the more keywords that you're able to use within your website. Now, keywords are words that are used by customers to find your business. So, this is when they're typing in the search engine on Google. They'll be able to find your business a little bit easier if you have more keywords. So then that's going to be very, very important. And we'll look at your website to see how you're doing with that. The next will be citations. Now, citations is anywhere your business can be found on the internet. So this can be through Angie's List, Yelp, LinkedIn, Facebook, local directories. So the more you have your business out there on directories, the easier it is for people to find you. Now, when you type in plumbers in Vacaville, this is what we first find here. So we have our map pack. Now these are businesses that have a Google My Business page, and it's important to be in this area here. Oftentimes when customers are looking for a certain service or a certain type of company, they will call the company that they see first and go to their website. So then that would be important to be in that area. The next would be um, the organic search. Now, if you look at plumbers in Vacaville, the first search that we see here would be Yelp and then Angie's List. So these are companies that are paying to be on these directories. The next would be Bonnie's Plumbing and Roto. So those would be your top two competitors. So we'll take a look and see how their website is doing. Now, interesting enough, I was looking for your website. They have, I believe, 12 pages. Now, I'm not sure if it's because you just opened up that location there in Vacaville, but I wasn't able to find your business in an organic search. So then that would be very important for us to work on, being able to find your business and again, using those keywords to help you rank a little bit higher. So let's take a look at how the website is doing. Now, this is a tool that we use called Ahrefs. Shows you how you're performing in various areas. So we'll look at here. It shows that you have over 4,000 backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that can be found on a website that leads customers back to your website. So it does drive up the traffic. So the more backlinks you have, then the more people will come over to your website. Now, not all backlinks are created the same. So, for example, having a backlink come from a restaurant versus come from a hardware store, then that will change the amount of traffic that is coming over to your website. I'm showing that you're using about 747 keywords, bringing in about 281 people to your website monthly, and then bringing in a revenue just shy of $2,000. Now, of the keywords that you're currently utilizing, okay, so these are the things that people are actually typing in to get over to your website. Okay, so that'll show you how you're doing. Okay, so next we have Bonnie Plumbing. So they have just shy of 6,000 backlinks. They're using over 7,000 keywords, and they're bringing in about 4,700 people to their website monthly. And then they have a revenue of a little bit over $56,000. So we can see here between your website and theirs, and they are bringing a lot more traffic. So then that's an area to where we will want to focus on, bringing in more people to the website. And then just take a look at their keywords that they're using. Okay, so these are the things that people are typing in to get over to their website. Now, one thing that we can always take a look at whatever keywords your competitors are using, and then use some of those same keywords and implement that within your website. Then that can help you drive up business. The same for same for the backlinks as well. So we'll look at whatever backlinks they have and use those same backlinks. So those are two different areas that can increase traffic to your website. The next would be Roto. They are a franchise company, but nonetheless, they will still be your competitor. So they have over 870,000 backlinks. They're using over 96,000 keywords. They have about 256,000 people coming to your website and generating $4.6 million. Okay, and then for their keywords, they're currently using, this is what people are typing in. And some of these are just their names, of course, but these are some other things that other keywords that you can also use for your website. Okay. So I hope that you like the tips that I provided. You're welcome to implement these yourself. If you would like to have a more in-depth conversation, my phone number is 916-378-9773. Nonetheless, I would love to hear back from you either way. And to provide me some feedback on this video. Again, thank you so much for taking your time out, and I hope you have a good day.